Hi everyone, welcome to Function Pilates. I'm Vanessa Kelly, master trainer and studio owner of Function Pilates, located in Tempe, Arizona. I'm here today to walk you through a default series of exercises to place in your spinal articulation category. I'm working on a balanced body piece of equipment, and the default spring series I have for a beginner is 2 reds and 1 blue spring, which should equal about 2.5 springs if you're working on a different model. I understand as a student this can be overwhelming and challenging as you're piecing together exercises for your client. These videos and tutorials are intended to help and assist you through the learning process. So if you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope to have you along the journey. In any spinal articulation exercise, the first thing to do is take the headrest down flat. Double check that the head and body are centered on the carriage by looking at each of the shoulder blocks. Remind your client that one of the objectives is to have little to no movement with the carriage as they articulate the spine off the mat. The reason being is so that the muscle focus stays in the glutes and the hamstrings. Remember, the goal of the exercise is to strengthen the hips while stretching the spine. Take the inhale to prepare and exhale as the body lifts up, applying pressure onto the foot bar and not pushing into it or away from it. You may want to emphasize that. At the top, inhale to hold and exhale to lower the spine down like a string of pearls. Keep the glutes contracting on the way up and allow the abs to control the speed on the way down. Remind them to relax their shoulders and soften their jaw. Observe that the arms are long and palms are energetically pressing flat into the mat. As you walk around to assess proper form, be sure to notice that the ankle, knees, and hips are all aligned. Now, if you're adding extensions at the top, let them know that now you would like to see the carriage move as they keep their hips elevated. Exhale to press the legs straight, and inhale to encourage the hips to stay lifted as they bend their knees. Anywhere from 3 to 10 repetitions is good. Cue them to drag the carriage in, and watch that their hips are staying lifted the entire time. What are their feet doing? Are they turning in? Are they turning out? Be observant of their body from head to toe. And on the final repetition, have them close the carriage completely to the stopper before rolling the spine all the way down. And that finishes up the beginner spinal articulation default series. Give them a little stretch there by moving those knees from side to side. Follow me in the stretching category next.